and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, we've got the Beretta APX Carry. We're going to disassemble it, fill strip it for cleaning. Magazine out. Check that chamber. Alright, once we've checked the chamber, we're going to go ahead and pull this trigger. That way we decock it. You cannot disassemble it without pulling the trigger, so make sure you pull the trigger first. Now we can take this little lever right here. I'm going to pull it down. Pull it right off, just like that. Alright, now the frame is ready to clean, so just set it to the side. We're going to take the slide, push the spring forward a little bit, pull it out, push the barrel forward and out, just like that. So this is ready to clean. Now we're going to put it back together. We're going to take the slide, take the barrel, kind of angle it in, seat it back. See how it's seated? Now we can take the fat end of the spring toward the front. And we're going to seat it down in that little notch. If you can see, it's got like this little ramp right here. Then it notches in. It's a very small notch right here, but we're going to seat it down in that notch. Push it forward. Get it seated into that notch, just like that. And we're going to make sure it's centered here. Make sure it's down in that notch. Alright, so we're down in the notch. We look good there. This little cutout for your wing right here, you've only got one. On one side it doesn't cut out, it's down in there. So we're going to take this wing right here. We're going to align it with that little cutout. We're going to push it to the rear. Just like that. If it doesn't automatically kick back up, you just push it up with it pulled back just a little bit like that. Now we're going to rack it. Pull the trigger a couple times. Make sure it's good to go. And this thing's ready to go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.